Hello, I'm Krishna Raghavan. I'm a current development test engineer placement student with Cummins Power Systems. I'm currently pursuing bachelor's in mechanical engineering from Coventry University and currently based in Daventry. At Cummins, when I first joined, it was almost made clear to me, please reach out for any sort of support or help. Every employee that I reached out to was extremely helpful in terms of either helping me out immediately or pointing me out to the right person. As a development test engineer, I'm almost a technical project leader for a particular engine testing project. And my role starts from building the engine as per spec, making sure it's installed in the test cell. And once the engine starts running, I look at the data to make sure it's all coming in all right. Essentially, I'll be the link between people who are requested for the test and how the test is being ran, and making sure the product reaches the market faster. My biggest success so far has been delivering an engine testing project within the timeline. So I had multiple issues coming along and I had to be extremely dynamic and making sure I account for it and delivering it on time. In my engine testing project, we had a very bizarre failure, which was completely new to most of the people that were working on it. So I got the opportunity to liaise with senior technical advisors, and they allowed me to find out root causes and map out different events that could have eventually led to this failure, and I found that really interesting. The best thing about working for Cummins is definitely the people. Everyone is extremely helpful. You don't have to have any apprehensions in approaching anyone because you know for sure they'll help you out, and that's probably is the greatest thing about Cummins. At Cummins, we have an initiative called AAAC, which stands for Every Employee, Every Community. Basically, every employee has to do 4 hours minimum of voluntary work that can either be STEM related or just volunteering at local businesses and helping out charities. My placement with Cummins has been extremely rewarding. I had the opportunity to work on some high priority projects on both gas and diesel engines, and this has helped me validate my interest in mechanical engineering and especially complex problem solving. My top tip for applying to Cummins is if you're truly passionate about engineering and if you enjoy complex problem solving and being dynamic, give it a go. Cummins will provide you with plenty of opportunities, both professionally as well as personal development, which should enable you to kickstart your career. Since the pandemic, Cummins has instructed all of us to work from home where possible, and this has not really affected the way I work. Instead of physically going to the test cell and looking at the engines, I now get photos and videos as I request them, and it helps me visualize what's going on. Cummins have implemented all government measures and have gone beyond that. So we currently have temperature measurements throughout the day. Social distancing is practiced all the time, and Cummins has recently acquired its own mask making technology. And this really helps me feel safe and makes me proud that I work for a company that cares for its employees. So I first decided to do a placement because I wanted to get the industrial experience and almost validate my interest for engineering, and I specifically applied to Cummins because it's almost a globally recognized brand for producing high quality and reliable engines. I also had a few people working at Cummins, and the feedback they gave me on what a fantastic company it is and how relevant the work they do, it really motivated me to apply to Cummins.